Hello everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome to 1213 Prescott Way. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. A video. A video. Video. Welcome, 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 welcome. As you can tell, I'm hungry. Yes. Today is Taco Tuesday, and I have my tacos. Taco Nacho. Wait, Taco Nacho Tuesday. Have fish nachos, shrimp tacos. Say that fast. All right, I'm gonna get right into it. I made some cheese sauce and I have tomatoes and green onions that I am going to top. Just put a little on the top, just a little on the top. And first I'll put my cheese sauce. Yeah, baby. And then now I will top it with my tomato. And then the green onion. Green onion, baby. I'm so hungry. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Thank you for joining me. It's been a long week. Long end of the week, long beginning of the week. But we're here, right? And then I have some juice to wash it all down. So, let's do a thumbnail. Let me get rid of that. My famous sriracha. Gotta have it. I don't care how hungry I am, gotta have it. Let's just put a line like that right there, like that right there. And I see I'm missing this spot right there. And then some on the nachos. Oh yeah. This is going to be good. Oh, let me get closer. Closer, baby, closer. And I am hungry. I'm thirsty. So I'm going to start off with a bite of my nachos. So, do you guys want some? You want to try it? You want to try it? Take a bite, take a bite. Delicious, huh? David ate his ribs and chicken, baked beans. What else? Something else. Corn. And these are shrimp tacos. Take a bite, take a bite. Doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't it? I got a bite of everything. This is going to be a messy mukbang, or should it be an ASMR? AMSR? ASMR? All I know is this is delicious. You know, that frozen fish. Mmm. Mmm. Sorry I didn't study the table, but I'm not going to stop in between because I am so hungry. I really am. Running all day, all week. Should I like it with just tomatoes and green onions on it? What are you guys eating? Cause I hope it's as good as mine. Sorry. Oh my goodness, my two favorite things, fish and shrimp. You know what's funny? Been running since Saturday. I can't even remember Sunday. We've been some busy beavers. I might as well make this an ASMR. I was going to just do tacos, but I only had 2 shells left, and I could have made some, but I was like, yeah, I'll just do nachos. You know, something else. Because at first I was going to do burritos or soft tacos. But I'm like, let's do some nachos. And guys, I am not, I'm going to say not, I mean not exaggerating. Because I've thought about getting David Taco Bell. I don't have anything I can eat. I don't really care for it. But I'm like, that stuff is so flat. With nothing in it. And then I thought about our favorite Mexican restaurant, El Lago. I'm like, Did I tell you what I have on it? No. Besides the shrimp on my tacos, I have cabbage, green onion, tomatoes, cheese, you know, the Mexican blend cheese, and well, I already said green onions, and topped it with some sour cream. And then, of course, you saw me with the sriracha. And then the only thing I didn't put on my nachos is the sour cream. David is relaxing, watching a movie. And I was like, I have to come on here because I haven't done a video since Friday, and that's what, well, I've been keeping up with my shorts videos, but I haven't done a mukbang. And then I was gonna do a mukbang when I made the honey glazed garlic butter salmon, but then I was so hungry I didn't want to have to set up and everything, so I just tore them up. And guys, I'm getting full already. I don't know if I asked you already, but what are you eating? And whatever you're eating, I hope and pray it is as good as mine. I am so busy at work. I love it, but you know how you try to keep up? What's the stage I'm in right now? But let me tell you, yesterday, David and I were coming back from Springfield, which is about 50 minutes away, you know, where I work. And got halfway home, and once you get off of this fork or some, you know, EE, it's a highway exit. Once you get off there, you're in Highlandville, excuse me, which is about 20 minutes from home. He had wanted something from the store when I got to the light. So I was like, this is a good place to stop, because it was a Quick Mart. So I knew it was kind of like a grocery store. So I go in, get him what he wants, come out, get home 20 minutes later. And now I'm looking for my phone. And I told David to call it. I asked him to call it. Because if I searched everywhere that I had been in the house once I got home, which were in many places. And I said, if it's not there, I know, I said, please don't let me have left it at the store. So I asked David to call my phone. And when he called my phone, no, he picked up his phone to call my phone, and then his friend called him. And he told him something about my phone. And David was like, that's what we're getting ready to call now. How do you know about her phone? So then, so then my girlfriend Deborah calls David's phone and said that someone called her and told her that I left my phone at the store. So we're all confused. I'm like, what? How did they call her, first of all, and how did they know her? And then she goes, I had texted you. And I was like, oh. So he went in my phone and called. I was so grateful, but then I was kind of wondering how he was able to call someone on my phone, even though it locks, you know? Even when someone calls, or, you know, text, it's still in that locked mode. So I'm wondering how that happened. Unless it happened as soon, I don't know. I can't explain that. I should have asked him. So anyway, I had to drive all the way because I was ready to relax. We were gone all day. And when I got home, I said, okay, the last thing I need to do was check my phone because we were waiting on a message. Excuse me. And then I was going to relax. I had to drive back there 20 minutes, come back 20 minutes. And, you know, he had the phone sitting right on the counter. But I appreciated him for doing that. So David called him before I left and told him that he was my husband, and Then I was on my way to pick up the phone. And the funny thing is, as soon as I got my phone, I called David to tell him I got my phone. So the phone rang, he answered, and he said, when he answered, he was like, "Did you find your phone?" And I started laughing. I was like, "No." So he was like, "You didn't get there yet?" I'm like, "David, I'm talking to you on my phone." He was like, "Oh yeah." I thought that was funny. Well, you know how you do that? If you can't find your phone, you're like, "Let me find my phone, let me call my phone so I can see where it's at." And you're like, "Oh shit." I think I've eaten a lot. I am going to finish that taco though. And then, oh yeah, I lost my debit card. I was looking all over for it. I'm like, "Oh, let's put it back in my purse." You know, as soon as after I use it. So after I, realized I couldn't find it, I locked it. I didn't want to report it lost or anything because I figured I'd find it because I'm like, it couldn't be far. But after a day, I was like, I don't know where it is. So Monday, yesterday, when we were on our way to Springfield, I was no, it was Sunday, but I don't know where we were. But I opened the middle console, and there it was sitting right there. And so I had it locked, and when I went to go get gas, it declined it, and I'm like, "What?" And I said, "Oh yeah, I have to unlock it." So that was a good thing, you know. You guys, it was delicious. Hit the spot on everything. Wow. Thumbs up. Well, yes, that is going to conclude this video. And I'm feeling good. That was delicious. Hit the spot. And Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post another video. A video. And, what else? Oh, yeah. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, evening, and night. And we will see you on the next video. Love you.